Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your WhatsApp storage location on your PC. WhatsApp Desktop typically places its data, including all your media and chat backups, within your C drive by default. This default setting can quickly fill up your primary storage, potentially slowing down your computer. We will go through the simple steps to move this data to another drive or folder, ensuring your system remains efficient. This relocation process will free up significant space on your main drive, making your PC run much smoother. First, ensure the WhatsApp desktop application is entirely closed before proceeding with any changes. Next, open your File Explorer and navigate to the default storage location for WhatsApp data. This folder is typically found under your user profile, specifically within the app data and roaming folders. The precise path usually looks like C/users/ your username /app data /roaming /WhatsApp. Remember, the app data folder is often hidden by default, so you might need to adjust your File Explorer settings to make hidden files visible. Once you have successfully located the WhatsApp folder, carefully cut it from its default app data location. Then, paste this complete folder into your chosen new storage destination. This could be a spacious secondary drive, an external hard drive, or any other directory with plenty of free space. Do make sure the new location is secure and easily accessible. We will then set up a special link, which acts like a permanent redirect, telling WhatsApp exactly where its data now resides. Now, to finalize the change, open Command Prompt as an administrator. This step is crucial for creating the symbolic link. You will use the mclink/j command. For instance, if your original path was C/users/ your name /app data /roaming /WhatsApp and your new path is D/new WhatsApp data, your command would be mclink/j C/users/ your name /app data /roaming /WhatsApp D/new WhatsApp data. Press Enter, and a junction will be created. Finally, restart your WhatsApp desktop application to ensure it recognizes and utilizes the newly established storage location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.